Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working on these baby girl bling shoes. I got these shoes from Walmart. This is how it looks before, we add some bedazzle to it. I thought, they needed a little bit more bling. So this is the final result that you're going to get after adding all the bling to it. It's really easy and simple and anyone can do it. So let's get into it. So first thing you need is, of course, some rhinestones, some easy styles and glue, and your utensil that you're going to place them with, and then your shoe. So I kind of just did a recording here so you guys can see how I placed them. The second video, actually, the first video got placed on a second one, so if it looks a little bit confusing, please don't be alarmed. So a little tip I did is place the glue on the side somewhere you don't care to mess up, and use it to dip and place it on the shoe, and then place the rhinestone on top. Also, as you can see, I was placing the rhinestones in between the hearts and the design on the shoe, which made it cohesive. Voila! If you really guys like these shoes and like my projects, make sure you subscribe and comment down below so I know you guys are there. Alright, I see you guys in the next project.